Trying to rebuild your marriage after the devastating impact of sexual betrayal, like an affair or pornography addiction, is so hard. It can feel like trying to climb Mount Everest. If you were going to try to summit a mountain like that, you would never do it alone or without the right kind of guidance and support. I have been privileged to help support hundreds of women to rebuild their lives and their marriages after sexual betrayal. And I've put my top 10 tips together for you in a free ebook. I am holding out hope for you. This is not the end of your story. And whatever your situation, it can get better.